Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 9. Ishaq alayhi salam. Name: Ishaq alayhi salam. Birth and lineage. Full name: Ishaq ibn Ibrahim ibn Tari alayhi salam. Born to Sarah, the elderly wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. His birth was a divine miracle, and his wife was standing and she laughed. Then we gave her good tidings of Ishaq. Father, mother and brother. Father: Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Mother: Sarah radiallahu anha. Half brother: Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. Wife and son. Wife: Rafaq, Rebecca according to historical sources. Son: Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam, also called Israel alayhi salam. And we gave him Ishaq and Yaqub in addition. His birth as a blessing. Born to parents of old age, do you wonder at the decree of Allah? The mercy of Allah and His blessings be upon you. His birth signals the continuation of the prophetic legacy through Banu Israel. Death: died at an old age in the land of Canaan, Palestine. The Quran does not specify his age or death in detail. Grave: according to Islamic tradition, buried alongside his father Ibrahim alayhi salam in Hebron al-Khalil, in the cave of the patriarchs. Legacy: forefather of the Israelite prophets, including Yaqub alayhi salam, Yusuf alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Dawood alayhi salam, and Isa alayhi salam. His line carried the divine message for generations, and we gave him and Ishaq and Yaqub, each of them we guided. Mention in the Quran. Mentioned by name 17 times in the Quran. Appears in Surah Hud, Surah Sad, Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Ankabut, and others. Highlighted for being a prophet, blessed with righteous offspring and guidance. Key qualities: righteous and pure, patient and devout, received revelation and was among the chosen ones. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more prophet facts.